So this is an Apex compact reel system. And this is a bracket that was designed by somebody on the Rivian forums. I modified and then had cut and bent by Send Cut Send. This is a 3D model that I downloaded off the internet and 3D printed. It is basically the end piece of a Rivian gear guard cable. It's part of their security system. I took this design and redesigned it into this after a few iterations. It's essentially the same thing, but has some threaded holes. I tested this a few times, and once I was confident I had it right, I then sent it to PCBWay and had it machined out of aluminum and anodized. And I've got two of these. But let me assemble all this and I'll show you where we're going. So it occurred to me while I was editing this video that you guys have no idea what in the hell I'm doing here. So the Rivian comes with a built-in air compressor, which is what you see there. But below the compressor, let me take this out real quick, are these two ports right here and here. And these are what's called gear guard cable ports. So essentially what happens is you plug one end of the cable into this port, and then the cable wraps around a bike or whatever you have in your bed. And then the other end of the cable comes and plugs into this port. And when you lock your doors, it's locked. So, you know, someone can't steal your bike or what have you. So all I'm doing is I remachined these, I guess, cable port end pieces. And by doing that, I can mount this hose reel into those ports. And it's easily removable. And the reason I'd want to remove it is if I want to use my full bed, because you can see it takes away some width from the bed. But also if I want to access my spare tire, this blocks the door from coming up. But now it's easily removable and ready to go. So I plan on, you know, day to day, it'll just stay mounted like it is right now. And I just remove it whenever I need to use the bed. But yeah, that's it. Real simple project, super fun. I didn't do any fabrication work whatsoever. It was all third-party sourced, which was kind of cool to design everything on the computer and I actually took a lot of designs from a guy on the Rivian forum and modified them for my needs. So he deserves more credit than me, probably. Anyways, hope you enjoyed it, and catch you next time.